C++ tools with the same functionality as Python's filter and map. I am looking for a C++ analogs for a map or filter from Python programming language. The first of them applies some function to every item of iterable and return a list of the results. The second constructs a list from those elements of iterable for which function returns true. I would like to use the similar functionality in C++. Map some function to the container in order to get new container with a transformed data, and probably with a different length. Use some kind of conditional filtering for a container. Are there any fine implementations of Python's map and filter in C++? In this short example, I am trying to work it out using such tools as boost column bind and std column for _each, and I face with the difficulties. The std column vector, std column string, result should contain all the strings std column vector, std column string, raw that lexicographically higher than the last string from stin. But in fact the result container is still empty at the return point. The input and the output. Any help will be appreciated.
As Juancapanza has suggested, the template functions in the algorithm STL header are your best bet. Compile and run.
To make your current code work, you have to wrap the result argument to boost column bind inside boost column ref, otherwise bind will make a copy of your result. Otherwise, the commenters at Juancapanza and at Alex Vuison already gave good answers on this. Using the plain C++11 standard library, i.e. without boost, you could implement your above program by replacing the std column for _each with the following. Note that the filter _strings function is not needed anymore and you need to #include iterator for std column back _inserter. Although this is, probably, if you know the STL, better than your initial approach with custom push _back in for _each, it still does not look very nice. Generally, more readable code can be written using boost.range, where you can find nearly one-to-one replacements for map and filter, filtered and transformed. For the program above, these would not be particularly helpful, but especially for chained map/filter, using boost.range tends to help.
The reason that your code is not working as you thought it would is that bind makes a copy of all the parameters. That means that you were adding items to a copy of your std column vector string result. To resolve this issue, you need to put your vector into a reference wrapper. That then gets copied, but it contains a reference to your result vector. The change is small. Note that I'm using the C++11 bind, not boost bind here. Now, if you want to use a lambda to keep the predicate code local to the filter, you could. Or using std column copy underscore if.
If you want to have result code